Alright guys, check this out. We got this new hardcover lid for the Blackstone 36-inch griddle, and this thing is actually made in the USA, here in the USA. And so I just want to show it to you guys. It's great for protecting your griddle surface, and when you're going to use it, you can just hang it on the back like this, just like that, and you start cooking. Hangs on the back, so it can actually act as like a wind protector on the back. So I'm gonna pick this up, show you how it looks. Goes on there just like that. It's got the wood handle. You can use the top after you're done as like a tabletop surface if you want. So yeah, we'll put a link in the video description where you guys can check out this hardcover lid. It's gonna be available on Amazon and eBay. And like I said, these bad boys are made in the USA, so they're high quality, they'll last a long time, and they're a great price. So definitely check them out. But I also want to mention the weight of this product. It's actually only 7 pounds, so it's really light. You can literally lift it up with one hand, hang it on the back with one hand if you want to, like this. Just like that. And you're ready to cook. I forgot to mention also, this cover actually does come in diamond plate too. So if you like diamond plate, you can check that out too. And we'll see you in the next video.